9 Essential Tips for Living Off-Grid. 1. Assess your energy needs. Assessing your energy needs is a critical first step in determining what your options are for your off-grid home. Start by making a list of all the appliances and devices you use on a daily basis. Consider their power ratings and estimate the number of hours you typically use them each day. This will give you an idea of your daily energy consumption. Factor in any alternatives or conservation systems you plan to integrate. Sustainable and energy-efficient alternatives make great additions to the expansion of your off-grid system. By conducting a thorough assessment of your energy needs, you can better understand the scale and type of renewable energy system that will suit your lifestyle. 2. Water management. Essential for all life on Earth, water management is a top priority. Assessing available water sources and implementing rainwater harvesting or well drilling ensures a reliable water supply. Investing in water storage solutions is vital to meet your daily needs, especially during dry seasons or in case of emergencies. It is also important to consider the climate conditions of the area you are planning to live in. Similar to your energy needs, having forethought and measurements of your water consumption will serve you well. You can also think of how you might combine functionality of multiple resources. When living off-grid, a little creativity can go a long way. 3. Sustainable food production. Growing your own food promotes self-sufficiency and reduces dependence on external sources. A garden or greenhouse can provide you with fresh fruits, vegetables, and herbs year-round. Raising livestock or poultry further enhances your sustainable food production, supporting a wholesome and well-rounded off-grid lifestyle. Assess available space and sunlight in your area to determine the suitable garden size and capabilities of your location. Consider the climate, soil quality, and water availability to choose the right plants that thrive in your specific conditions. 4. Waste management. Effective waste management practices are crucial when living off the grid. Off-grid living provides an opportunity to minimize waste generation and reduce environmental impact. It also is a key factor to plan for, to ensure hygiene is maintained properly in your off-grid system. Consider a waste management system that includes composting and recycling. Composting organic waste reduces the amount of trash you create and also produces nutrient-rich compost for your garden. Investing in a composting toilet or an alternative waste disposal solution is another viable option for sustainable off-grid living. 5. Shelter. Outside of your main living area, you should consider additional storage, safety rooms, garden space, animal space, and anything else you want to integrate into your land. Creating an overhead view of your land and planning to scale can help in making the most of your space and environment. Also consider insulation, ventilation, and building materials. This will aid in reducing reliance on heating and cooling systems, promoting a comfortable and eco-friendly living space. Every part of your homestead can be optimized for functionality and energy efficiency. 6. Tools and equipment. Equipping yourself with the right tools and equipment is necessary for living off-grid. Your tools and equipment should be prioritized by how they will assist you in overcoming challenges and emergencies. Hand tools, solar-powered lights and torches, and a backup generator for reliable power during periods without sun or wind. Additionally, reliable off-grid communication devices like satellite phones or two-way radios are essential for connectivity in remote areas. By having these tools and equipment available, you can navigate off-grid living with confidence. 7. Water filtration and purification. Access to safe drinking water is crucial in off-grid living. Investing in reliable water filtration systems ensures the removal of contaminants. Portable water filters are indispensable for outdoor activities and emergencies as well, providing clean water on the go. 8. Sustainable heating and cooking. Sustainable heating and cooking solutions are a lifesaver for off-grid living. By opting for renewable and efficient methods, you can reduce your environmental impact and promote self-sufficiency. Consider utilizing wood-burning or pellet stoves for heating during colder months. They utilize a renewable fuel source and provide warmth without relying on electricity or fossil fuels. 9. Learn basic survival skills. Developing basic survival skills prepares you to navigate off-grid challenges and emergencies. Acquiring skills like fire starting, foraging, and basic first aid enhances self-reliance and resilience. Understanding local flora, fauna, and potential hazards ensures your safety and well-being in remote off-grid locations. Embarking on an off-grid journey is truly an admirable and challenging feat. While initially overwhelming, it can be extremely rewarding for the mind, body, and soul. If you like this video, please be sure to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Check out more content like this on our channel, as well as our blog. Looking for recommendations on products to start your off-grid journey? Check out the bio below. You support this channel with every purchase.